Hello everyone. Today I am presenting our e-classroom solution that provides personalized online tutoring programs for school children. Let's look at why we need a remote learning environment. Across Australia, there are around 20,000 homeschooled students. The Australian homeschooling community is increasing over the years. The biggest growth in homeschooling numbers is coming from children who do not fit the system, mostly on the autism spectrum. Students with disabilities and slow development need special attention and individual sessions. Students may need to catch up with any learning they may have missed due to the pandemic. There is a requirement of learning platform provide quality education to all students regardless of location and time. Students in the rural areas and who travel frequently get more advantage out of this kind of systems. Some students seeking extra support for their education needs. Let's get better understanding of our solution. eClassroom is a virtual classroom application. Suppose students to remotely learn through the fun activities. We use personalized approach that allow children to learn at their speed. eClassroom maintain a database of qualified educators and education materials fit for the different subjects and age groups. Educators can enroll in the platform and create their profile with their qualifications and experiences. Parents can search educators depend on their specialty and the availability. Parents or students can rate and add testimonials to educators. Students can access their study materials, share their work with educators using student dashboard. We provide different subscription levels. At the basic subscription level, subscribers can only download study materials. Other than that, we provide group sessions and individual sessions using video conferencing. Main benefit of eClassroom are maintain social distancing, cut down travel time, study in own comfortable environment, personalized support, tutors can earn extra money, and we provide fully functional teaching environment. According to Technovo marketing research, Australia is one of the fastest growing regions in online tutoring. Research revealed that 25% of students seeking study support. The current industry value $1.3 billion and it's still growing. Global tutoring market size has the potential to grow by $132 billion during the 2020 and 2024. I believe that this solution makes a difference to our online education industry. Thanks for your time and consideration. So now I'll open floor for the questions.